Hello everyone, I am Anu. In this video, I am going to explain about op-amp. Op-amp is nothing but operational amplifier. Amplifier is nothing but which amplifies the input signal, and we can observe the high amplified value at the output. The second figure shows us the operation amplifier. Why it is called as operation amplifier means in olden days there was no digital computers. During those days, there was an operation amplifier which is used to perform addition, subtraction, integration and differentiation. Hence, the name is given as operation amplifier. This operation amplifier figure is shown in here. It consists of two input V1 and V2. V1 is then non-inverting terminal, V1 is non-inverting terminal and V2 is inverting terminal. And V output gives us the um, value which is obtained from V1 minus V2. And there is a biasing voltage which is V plus and V minus, and some of the amplifier is consist of only single biasing voltage. So here comes the output transfer characteristics of op-amp. In this op-amp you can observe with the increase in differential voltage, that is V1 minus V2, the output increases and the slope gives us the gain of the amplifier. After some value, like after some threshold value, the gain reaches a saturation value, as you can show in here. It is same in case of negative value also. Here in this figure you can observe the ideal equivalent circuit diagram of op-amp. In here you can observe there is an input resistance Ri between V1 and V2, and the voltage source is given at the output which is a multiplication of A into differential voltage. Here A is nothing but open loop gain. Why it is called as open loop gain means here there is no feedback in the op-amp, and R0 gives us the output resistance. In ideal condition, the RF should be infinity and the output resistance should be 0, and also the open loop gain should be infinity. Along with this, there are two more things that I need to explain. Those are slew rate and common mode reduction ratio. This slew rate is nothing but how op-amp it can produce the output with the change at the differential input. And also the common mode rejection ratio is nothing but whenever the input voltage is 0, then output should also give us the 0 value. But in real or in practical, it is not possible. The input resistance Ri is some mega ohms, and also the output resistance R0 will be in some ohms. And the open loop gain is also not an infinite, it is between 10 to the power of 5 to 10 to the power of 6. And in ideal condition, the bandwidth should be infinity, but it is not possible in a real purpose. And also, there is a slew rate which should be infinite, and the common mode rejection ratio, as it shows, the output should be 0 when the input are 0, but it is not possible. Whenever the input is 0, you can observe some value at the output. And some of the application of op-amps are analog to digital converter, digital to analog converter, and some waveform converter, and also in oscillator. Thank you.